I'm Lohith. I'm working in Four Cour Technology as a software developer. All thanks to Besant Technologies and Murali for getting me placed in an IT company. After my graduation, I joined Besant Technologies for Python full stack, and I had zero knowledge before joining, and I got quality education, and where all the faculties are really helpful, well experienced, very friendly, and lot of IT companies have been tied up with Besant, and they have separate job portals. You keep on applying for jobs and you keep on getting calls from IT companies, and irrespective of your percentage, yearbacks, backlogs, qualifications, etc., I would suggest anyone to join this course in Besant. Thank you.